Hey guys, my name is Sid and welcome to another vlog. Oh. Hey Siri, change the studio lights to blue.
Okay, blue it is.
Hey guys, my name is Sid, welcome to another vlog, and today we're going to be talking about the Philips Hue light system which I have behind me, and I really love this new lighting system that I've got, and I've had it for a while actually. And today I thought I'd talk to you guys about it and explain a little bit more about how the Philips Hue light system works and why I think you should get it. So Philips created the Philips Hue light system a couple of years ago. They were one of the first people to come out with smart bulbs. Philips Hue light bulbs can be controlled from your phone, through an app, through your voice. They also have a huge selection of colors that they can go from. So this lamp over here is a regular IKEA lamp, but it's got the Philips Hue bulb installed in it, and it basically looks like any regular bulb. So this is the Philips Hue bulb. As you can tell, it looks like a pretty standard LED bulb. Now it's got the regular screw connector at the bottom of the bulb. Even size-wise, it's pretty similar to a regular bulb, but it's got a ton of electronics packed inside it. You take your standard Philips Hue light bulb and you just screw it into any regular lamp holder like this, turn it on, and your Philips Hue is now on. So the cool thing about it is that you actually have this app called the Hue app, and each one of your bulbs in your house can be controlled using the app. I'll show you the app in more detail in a bit, but let's turn this light down a little bit so it doesn't look so yellow. There we go. So as you can see, these lights can be completely controlled individually. Check out that one, it's turning orange right now, and it's yellow now, and now it's blue. You can also control the intensity of the light, make it bright or keep it soft depending on what you want. So the Philips Hue system works on the Zigbee protocol. So Zigbee, for those of you who don't know, is a smart home protocol, and a lot of devices work on Zigbee, and Zigbee is integrated into other app services like HomeKit, Google Voice, Alexa, and many others. So this is the Zigbee controller that connects to all the bulbs, and that goes into your router, which is then connected to the internet. So you can actually control the bulbs from anywhere in the world. And this thing supports up to 100 bulbs, so you're all good. What I love about Philips Hue lights is it completely transforms the way your room looks. You can give it so many different looks just with these three lights alone. So say I wanted to make the backlights purple, that gives this room setup a completely different look, as you can tell. So I've got three different types of Philips Hue lights. This is the bulb which I just showed you. Those in the back are what we call Philips Hue Bloom. They're self-contained lights which you plug directly into the wall, and you can place them anywhere on the floor. They're meant to be like mood lighting in the background. And then you have the strips as well, which we have behind the computer over there. Now I've got a Philips Hue setup throughout my house, so I'm going to show you a little bit of that. This is the studio setup over here. I've got the two Philips Bloom lights over here, and this is my computer desk setup. Red LEDs at the back over here. I've got a little controller over here as well, and I can manually change the lights whenever I want, different colors. This is my bar area. So Mom actually got this bar custom made for me for my birthday, and you can see there's some lighting at the back over there, but I do have one Philips Hue Bloom right over here. And the reason I have that is because it allows me to change the look of the bar, maybe like a greenish orange color. Let me show you a close-up. So yeah, by the way guys, this painting over here was made by Mamta. It's of the Beatles. So if you guys want to check out some more of Mamta's paintings and stuff, go check her out on Instagram. It's mamta.draws. This is the living room space. So I've got two Philips Hue Bloom lights, one over here and one over here. 4 lights above over here are all Philips Hue Bloom as well. So I actually got these custom made. I have a clip of it. Let me just show you guys real quick how we made it. We're at IKEA, and I just picked up these Hector lights. So they're like black matte finish holders. So I'm gonna attach it probably to like a dark wood base, and then get an electrician to hook it all up. So now the planks of wood have been painted, and they're this darker wood color now. Now we're just mounting the lights on the piece of wood. This corner of the house over here has all our pictures, and you can see I have an acoustic guitar in my living room as well. And I've got a Philips Hue light right behind it. Turn living room bloom blue.
Bloom coming right up.
Boom. So what's really cool about these lights is that I can control it with my voice. Alexa, turn the lights to 50%. It works. It works really well. We actually don't control the lights at all with a switch anymore. We actually control it just with our voice. These three bloom lights are actually synced up. So whatever color they are, they'll all match. So that looks really cool. You know, when the lights are really dim in here and we have all three lights, it really creates a nice mood. Now let's take a quick look at the features in the app. I have separate zones set up for each of my spaces. So I have the living room space, I have the living room blooms, which are all together. That's the one at the bar and the two behind my desk. And then I have the studio lights. So if you go in here, you can see these are the 4 lights that I have on my ceiling. I can control them individually for color. I can also control the intensity or completely turn them on or off. So I also have the option to control them all simultaneously. So here, if I change the color right now, I can change the whole living room and turn it red. That looks pretty cool, but I think I'm going to switch it back to the yellow right now. And you see, it completely changes the way the room looks. I can also change the intensity. You can actually set up different routines on your app so that you can turn the lights on slowly as the sun rises, as you go to sleep, when you come home, based on location. I don't really use too many of these features, but they're available for you if you need it. So they also support third-party apps which allow you to control the lights in different ways. In the settings column over here, we can rename the lights, change all their names, set up different accessories, connect it with your Siri and HomeKit, and all those kind of things. So setting up a Philips Hue light is really simple. You just plug it into your bulb, turn it on, and then click the button on your Zigbee router and it'll detect it automatically in the app. Once it's detected, you can name it, assign it to a room, and that's it, you're done. So Philips has many different types of lights available in the Philips Hue ecosystem. We have the bloom lights like the ones behind us. We have a regular bulb over here. They have like spotlights. They have different self-contained full lamps. The ecosystem is vast. You can pretty much get any kind of light that you need for your house within the Philips Hue range. Apart from that, you get all the advantages of having a regular LED bulb. It has 25,000 hours of lifetime, so that's going to last you maybe 10 years. 25,000 hours is a long time. In fact, I keep the bloom lights on all the time. These bulbs use very little electricity, just like most LED bulbs, and that gives you a huge savings. Now, I used to hate LED bulbs generally because of the kind of light it gives. It doesn't have that same light as an incandescent bulb. It doesn't have that glow, but these lights do, because you can control the temperature, you can control the intensity, and you can make it look like a regular filament bulb. As you can tell, I really love these lights. I mean, I'm thinking of changing all the lights in my whole house to Philips Hue. They are a little bit on the expensive side. You get a starter kit with 4 bulbs and the Zigbee home controller for around $180 or so, and then each additional bulb is $50, and these blooms I think go for $59. But considering their lifetime and how long they last, apart from that, the amount of control they give you and how much nicer it makes your house look, I think it's totally worth investing into the Philips Hue ecosystem. That's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of the Philips Hue lights. I'm going to leave an affiliate Amazon link in the description if you guys do decide to buy the Philips Hue lights. Make sure to use that link, it helps out the channel. If you guys did like this video, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!